Have you spent hours at an expensive school or searching the internet to learn how to create a visual effects shot from beginning to end? Did you leave feeling frustrated or stuck without the skills you needed? I did too. Which is why I want to share the knowledge I've gained with those of you that are stuck in the same boat I was. After 15 years of learning and working in visual effects with companies such as Disney, Sony, Lucasfilms, and more, I've taken my experience and knowledge and created a jam-packed online training course. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about where and how to get inspired, concept artwork, planning for our shoot, finding and working with clients, cinema dynamics, and simulation. And we have our tracked footage, so let's bring them together in Cinema 4D and render them out using Octane Render Engine. The difference between layer-based and node-based compositing. So what is a VFX supervisor?
Really good reason why a director of photography needs a VFX supervisor when we're shooting something like this.
My name is Aaron Sorensen, and this is the course I wish I had starting out in visual effects. Not only am I going to take you through pre-production, production, and post-production on how to create a cinematic visual effects shot, I am also going to help you learn how to get clients and work as a full-time VFX artist from home or at a studio. This is the VFX Crash Course. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're just as excited about this course coming out as I am. It's so close. Don't forget to sign up on our email list at www.vfxcrashcourse.com. Get on the email list so you can get early access to some of the lessons and much more. Thanks, guys.